Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to create a centralized backup server on your network using Urbackup software. So you just need to follow me. So at first you need to open your browser and search for Urbackup on Google. After that, go to that website which is urbackup.org and download that Urbackup server exe file. After download done, you need to install it on your computer. Now open your browser, then type localhost, and after that port number is 55414. Now as you can see, I am getting this error. So what you have to do, simply you need to go to your settings, and here you can see the backup storage path. You need to change this path. So simply I will create one folder under my E drive, so you can create anywhere you want. So I'll create here one folder. The folder name is Urbackup. Now I'll right click that folder and click on copy as path. After that, I need to paste that location over here and remove the quotation from start and end. After that, click on save, and if I'll click on status, as you can see, I am not getting that error. So now as you can see, it is the Microsoft security error. So what you have to do, you need to open your Windows Microsoft security, and after that go to virus and threat protection, then go to manage settings. Here you will see add and remove exclusions. Click on that. Now click on add and exclusions, and here you need to add a folder. Select that folder which you have created. In my case it is Urbackup. Now select that folder. After that, go to your Urbackup page and click on status once again, and you will not get that error again. Now under Urbackup server, you need to change a few settings. For that, you need to go to settings and file backups. So here you just need to change according your need. Lastly, select that directories to backup are optional by default option. And after that, click on save. So now I'll install Urbackup client on my client machine. So I'll open browser from my client machine, and after that search for Urbackup. Now this time I will download Urbackup client, and after download I just need to install that Urbackup client on my client machine. After installation done, simply right click on your backup and click on configure components to backup. And as you can see, here is my backup server. If I'll click on status, as you can see, it is showing indexing. If you want a full backup your client computer, simply click over here and click on full file backup. So after backup done, if you want to restore your backup, simply click on backups option, and after that select your backup, and after that click on restore. So I hope this quick tutorial really helped for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any questions or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.